fateful day in the plan, two masters hand in hand, in the holy land of the beginning. We celebrate in the street, take the dust from their feet. Love and wisdom complete the perfect ending. I can't believe what I've just seen. Am I awake or in a dream? The eastern sky's dawning bright with two suns. This city's known for its poor, a suffering that endures. There is hell, to be sure, ask those who live in it. But when angels come down, with hidden wings they walk around. Earth becomes hallowed ground, you can believe it. Just the sight of their face sets you free with saving grace. When you bathe in the holy light of two suns. Mostly hidden by clouds, drowned out in the noise of crowds. Their call isn't that loud, it's just a whisper. But to those who have ears, the sound becomes loud and clear. You will know they are near if you but listen. Just to know they exist gives you hope, a touch of bliss. When you awake that holy morn and see two suns.